Do you have a Kawasaki Vulcan VN800 that clicks whenever you try to start it? It'll click on the fuse box and then it'll click on the starter relay. This is a video on how to fix that. So I've made this video once before, but it was on my phone and really terrible quality, so I'm going to do it again. Plus I'm having the symptoms again, so I can actually show the symptoms. So you turn it on, hit the kill switch and hit the starter button, and then you're going to get a single click out of the fuse box. I'm going to show you how to fix all that. Take this guy, hit it too. See that? Yo! And it does this every time I leave it out in the rain, so I hope this helps somebody. I see a bunch of videos about this topic specifically and no help.